My name is Gauri Shankar. I am from Jyspiders. I graduated in Vellore Institute of Technology in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. After completing my education, I joined in Jspiders. During my joining the institution, I got to learn take the course of Java Full Stack Developer. In Java Full Stack Developer, in Java, Pawan sir, Kaushik sir, and so many stars has helped me a lot. And grooming sections also helped me a lot during the company section. I used to attend the grooming class and aptitude class also. And during advanced Java class, Radha ma'am used to help me in web technology. Geeta ma'am helped me a lot. And thanks to the sirs and madams, I got to this job.